Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Russian Easy, and this is lesson number 5, and we are almost finished the Russian alphabet, and today we will cover the last 5 letters. It's U, 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 Ya, Ya, and soft sin and hard sin. Some of these will be really new to you and very unique and unusual, but don't worry, I will explain them step by step. So let's start it. First letter is U, U, U. And it's really unique Russian sound, and it's close to I in ill, but deeper in the throat. So U, U, U. And like example of Russian word is sir, 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 which means cheese. And next one, U, U, sounds like you, 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 sounds like you, you. And example of Russian word is humor, 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 which means humor, humor. Next one is ya, sounds like ya, ya in a yard, ya, like ya in a yard. And example of Russian word is yama, 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 which mean pit, hole. Next one, like letters, really interesting. It's soft sin and hard sin. Soft sin is it has no sound. It makes the previous constant soft. For example, mать, mать, mать. Do you remember the t, talk? But with this sign, it's make the letter softer, like mать, t. So it's making from t, mать, mать, which mean mother, mother. And hard sin has also no sound. It separates sound usually before yeah, yo, you, ya. And example, podъезд, podъезд. It's make harder, podъезд, pod, je, z, d, podъезд, which means entrance, entrance, podъезд. And mать. We will also practice this kind of letter in the next video, so don't worry. Just remember that hard sin make word harder, and soft sin make a constant before softer. That's all. Now let's practice a few words. So sir, sir, s, u, r, sir, which mean cheese, cheese, sir. Next one is humor, humor, u, m, o, r, which mean humor, humor. Next one is yama, yama, yama. Ya, M, A, yama, which mean whole, beat. And next one is mать, mать, M, A, T, and soft sin, mать, which mean mother, mother, mать. And the last one is podjezd. 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 And podjezd. We can read podjezd. Podjezd, which means entrance. Podjezd. So today we learned the last 5 letters of the Russian alphabet. It's U, 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 Ya, soft sing, and hard sing. And that means congratulations, you know all 33 Russian letters, and great job, you completed the Russian alphabet. And in the lesson 6 we will do a full review of 33 letters and then practice reading more words together. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the playlist, and write in the comments which of these last letters felt the strangest to you. And спасибо, see you soon in lesson number 6, and пока-пока.